Now guys, from this lecture onwards, we are going to start with the attack server using the injection based flaws. So the most common flaw in web application is the injection flaw, or we can say injection vulnerability. So interactive web application takes input from the user and processes it and return the output to the client. When the application is vulnerable to an injection flaw, it accepts input from the user with improper or no validation and processes it, and which simply results in the action that web application did not desire to perform. So the malicious input tricks the application and forcing the underlying components to perform tasks that the application was not programmed for. So in other words, an injection flaw allows the attacker to control the component of the application. So in this section, we will discuss the major injection flaws and cover all the topics like command injection, identifying injection points, tools to exploit the command injection flaws, SQL flaw, attack potential to the flaw, and different tools in Kali Linux to exploit the SQLi. Okay guys. So basically an injection flaw is used to gain access to the underlying component to which the application is sending data to execute some task. So as you can see in this following table, which is present here in front of you, so what it is doing here is, so this table shows the most common component used by the web application that are often targeted by an injection attack when the input from the user is not sanitized by the application. So for operating system cell, command injection; for relation database, SQL injection; for web browser, XSS attack; for LTAP directory, it is LTAP injection; and for XML is XPath injection. So in this particular section, we are going to cover all the major parts of this particular table.